My neighbour Philip makes beautiful things in wood, and here's an example of his work that I walk past every day. His garage door, which I think is very elegant and also very mathematical. He told me that it represents the rays of the sun. I really want to make one myself, not out of wood of course, but using the application GeoGebra. So I'll fire it up and put Philip's door in the corner. I don't need axes, so I'll deselect these. I'll switch this grid on for the moment, and I don't need the points to be labelled, so I'll also switch off labelling. Now let's get drawing. I'll make the garage door as a rectangle, so I'll select the polygon tool, and there are the 4 points of my rectangle. The grid was useful here to help me to keep the door horizontal, but I don't need it now, so I'll hide the grid. So I'll first click the Move tool and then click Grid. The centrepiece of Philip's design was this sun, which he's drawn as an octagon. So this time, using the regular polygon command, I'll click the first 2 points and then set it to 8 vertices. Click OK. I'll select the Move pointer again and grab one of my original vertices, and then I can resize it and change its orientation at the same time. That looks okay. Perhaps it's a little big. Let's make it a bit smaller. There we are. Then click the door and move that around so that it's in roughly the correct position. I think that's quite close. Next, I'll draw the 8 rays, which are extensions of the sides of the sun, and I can do this using the line segment command. This ray runs from here. It should pass through its adjacent point and into the corner. This one runs from here, passing through the adjacent point and into the corner. Now the lines don't quite pass through the centres of the adjacent points, so I need to move things around. If I click Move, and I can move it so that the lines do pass through as they should. That's quite close. And now I can put in the other 6 rays. I'll click the line segment tool and put them in. There's number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and finally number 8. And there we are. It's not as pretty as Philip's lovely wooden door, but quite satisfying all the same. And if you'd like to see more of his work, this is his website.